Get ready for an adrenaline-fueled ride through the world of heavy equipment transport. From steep mountain climbs to daring city maneuvers, this video showcases the epic feats of machinery and the incredible skill behind transporting the world's largest loads. Stay tuned for jaw-dropping moments and expert precision at every turn. Breaking news from the Alps. A Liebherr 81. K.1 tower crane just made an epic journey up a treacherous 3-kilometer mountain pass, taking 4.5 grueling hours. With tight roads, steep inclines, and sheer drops, this was a transport mission that tested every ounce of skill from driver Stefan Pattis and his team. Against all odds, they delivered, proving once again why these professionals are the best in the game. A muddy mountain pass or an icy road? Which is the tougher challenge? Let's dive into an incredible heavy transport mission. To haul 200 tons of Teufelberger track ropes up to 2,300 meters in the Alps, the team had to rely on powerful trucks with a combined 1,800 horsepower. Every meter climbed was a test of mechanical strength and expert driving. There was no room for error. Somebody's insurance agent just broke into a cold sweat. Brace yourselves as we delve into the heart-pounding world of heavy-duty trucking. Watch as the mighty Kenworth C509, boasting up to 600 horsepower, takes on the formidable Fitzroy River's Myruta crossing. Will it conquer the treacherous terrain? Stay tuned to find out. A true giant on the move. The Liebherr LTM 1750-9.1, the very first of its kind in the Saren's fleet, is still making history. From its first lift in South Africa to conquering Sweden, it now roars through Belgium. What's next for this legendary crane? Starting in Szczecin, Poland, the massive TBM began its journey. This impressive machine, one of Europe's largest, measures 112 meters in length with a cutter head diameter over 15 meters. Transporting its 220-ton cutter head on two 74-meter platforms was a complex task, culminating in a significant achievement for Poland's S19 tunnel project. The journey unfolds with MTD Kazimierz Skoratovic, a leader in oversized cargo transport since the mid-20th century. Specializing in complex logistics across Europe, MTD's expert team and specialized fleet ensure even the toughest loads arrive safely and on time. In this field, every job is a challenge, masterfully solved. In controlled trials, using a chain for towing creates inconsistent force distribution, reducing maneuverability. Our tests confirm that a fixed tow bar provides the necessary rigidity, especially in heavy haul applications. Mamowit's approach ensures safer and more predictable load transfers under extreme conditions. Did you know the Terex CC3800-1 crane can handle counterweights heavy enough to set up the massive Enercon E115 turbines? Once erected, these giants will soar to an impressive 207 meters. Martina isn't just a machine, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Its journey from Germany to Italy, involving multiple transport modes, reflects the pinnacle of logistical planning and execution. This event will be remembered as a significant milestone in tunneling history. Two Iveco tracker trucks and 25-axle Goldhofer THP trailers hauled the load to the Pian del Voglio toll station. Using suspension systems and 12 metal supports, it was transferred to Aliani Scheuerl transporters without cranes, ensuring smooth passage through tight turns and intersections. No way around it. The toll plaza had to be partially disassembled. The modular trailer handled it with ease. However, weight distribution became a concern near a 60-ton rated bridge. To ensure safe passage, the load was transferred onto a 25-axle trailer, assisted by two Iveco tracker, 8x6 units providing both traction and push force. Massive, unstoppable, and greased with sheep lanolin? Turning a 3,500-ton tunnel borer in a tight space sounds impossible until engineers get creative. This is next-level problem-solving with a farmyard twist. Oh man, that's what you call maxing out. That loader's working overtime just to stay on the ground. Hope the operator's got a strong grip. Hold on tight. McDonald Contracting's first TRT heavy haulage platform. Trailer is about to show you what extreme transport is all about. With its powerful design and unmatched capacity, this big bird is ready to handle the biggest challenges on the road. From steep inclines to narrow roads, nothing is too tough for this trailer. Let's dive in and see it in action. This is going to be one wild ride. How do you get a 190-ton industrial conditioner through a city with narrow streets and busy tram lines? Simple, by shutting down a few tram lines temporarily. It's a tactical move to create space for such a massive load, and it's a smart solution to an obvious challenge. Problem solved, just like that. Whoa, this is cutting it so close. Just a hair's breadth away from scraping the bridge. Impressive to see this in action. The new crane at Veracruz is going to take the port operations to the next level. We're talking more efficiency, better safety measures, and faster unloading times. The coordination between the port director and Grupo Gramosa is flawless. They're making sure everything goes off without a hitch. I'm excited to see where this goes. The Valmet 860 is a powerhouse in its class, with its 12-wheel drive system built for extreme conditions. Operating in sub-zero temperatures and on marshy terrains, this machine excels in maintaining power and traction, making it indispensable for tough forestry work. Can you imagine hauling a piece of iron factory equipment weighing 120 tons, 9.3 meters wide? That's exactly what we're talking about here. 515 tons of steel transported across the country from one massive factory to another. This is the kind of engineering feat that makes you wonder how they pull it off. What a crazy journey. Now that's how you cross a bridge, folks. Watch as this logging truck takes on the challenge with nerves of steel. But don't blink. One wrong move and this could be a major disaster. Steel groans, cables stretched to the limit. In La Llorona, Gruas del Valle is taking on a monster recovery operation. Every move must be perfect. One wrong step, and the whole mission could go south. This setup pushes the limits of what a semi-trailer can handle. The Bat2's weight and track design demand reinforced load beds and precise tie-downs. Any imbalance here could cause flexing in the trailer frame, affecting control at highway speeds. Transporting a turbine blade is a high-stakes operation. These blades, often exceeding 70 meters, demand specialized trailers, coordinated escort vehicles, and meticulous route planning. Even a slight miscalculation in turn, radius, or wind resistance can spell disaster. Every step is engineered for perfection. Moving a 600,000-pound transformer up a mountain is a logistical masterpiece. Route planning ensures clearance, while synchronized vehicle coordination mitigates risk. Specialized trailers distribute weight efficiently, and support crews monitor every critical juncture. Can they pull off this high-stakes ascent? Stay tuned. Experience and innovation go hand in hand. Rather than dismantling a 10-meter, 60-ton crane, a custom rolling transport system was engineered on-site at Fatzer AG. Precision planning ensured a seamless move. Hats off to Markus Sager and Gersog Krantechnik AG for their outstanding teamwork. The challenge here isn't just transporting a 170-ton load, It's ensuring that all equipment involved, from the heavy-duty trucks to the cable handling system, are in top working condition. Regular maintenance checks, especially on the suspension and brakes, are crucial when dealing with such colossal weights. After successfully completing the transport, the focus shifted to the cable car installation. 5 cables were precisely positioned, with the main cables hauled to the Klein-Matterhorn station using a temporary winch. The haul cable followed the same path, covering nearly 2,800 meters over glacier terrain, requiring exacting attention to detail. In the world of industrial transport, few sights compare to the spectacle of loading gigantic machines like those from ZPF, a leader in melting and holding furnaces for the light metal industry. It takes 2 cranes, one mounted inside a hull and another on a truck, to lift these monsters onto a 38-meter trailer. The precision needed to load and transport such massive equipment is a true test of skill, and believe me, you have to have nerves of steel to operate this. Watch as the giant Hitachi 220 is transported through the heart of the city on the massive Oshkosh M1070. It's a real showstopper. Getting this beast through tight streets with precision is as exciting as it gets. What an incredible journey! From the mountains to the city streets, we've witnessed the perfect blend of power, precision, and engineering brilliance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing heavy transport stories. See you in the next video, where we push the limits even further.